Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Pokemon Go's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Pokemon Go's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pokemon Go application. The homepage of Pokemon Go application will appear on the screen. You can sign up for your Pokemon Go's account using your Facebook, Google or Trainer Club's account as well. Tap on any one of the option. Here I'm gonna choose Pokemon Go Training Club option. On the next page, click on Create an account. Choose your country or region, enter your date of birth and tap on Continue. Confirm your country and date of birth by tapping on Yes it is. Enter the email address you would like to link or use for your Pokemon Go's account. Confirm it by re-entering your email address. Tick mark on the box to receive marketing communication latest message and tap on Continue. Agree to the terms and condition of Pokemon Go by tapping on Accept. Create your screen name and tap on Continue. On the next page, enter your username and create a password for your Pokemon Go's account and tap on Create Account option. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Enter a code sent to your email address and that's how you will be able to sign up for your Pokemon Go's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.